In front of me is Lenovo Yoga Tab 11, and today I would like to show you how you can enter all typing features available on this tablet. You need to begin by opening Devices Settings and scrolling all the way down right away. Now select System. Following that, click on Languages and Input, On-Screen Keyboard, and Revert. Now click on Text Correction. As you can see, all typing features are over here. If you wish to switch on or off one of them, just click on the switcher next to the chosen one. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment and subscribe. Bye!